If you're an entrepreneur, a coach, consultant, educator, trainer, corporate executive, or business owner, and you have $1 and you have an hour, this book is for you. In this book, you will learn how to create your own AI avatar twin. Imagine having a digital twin that works tirelessly for you 24/7, delivering your message with perfect tone and style, looking just like you without ever having to get in front of the camera again. Intrigued? You should be. In just 1 hour, you can create your own digital twin avatar. Hi, I'm Wes, and I'm here to introduce you to the game-changing AI video avatar. In my book, you're going to learn step-by-step how to create your own digital avatar in under an hour. Type or dictate your message, and your avatar will communicate it flawlessly, anytime, anywhere. This tool boosts your credibility, expands your reach, and gives you more time freedom by handling all your communications effortlessly. No more missed opportunities or burnout. Your digital twin avatar can share your message from anywhere, anytime, including the comfort of your home, without having to get dressed and ready. Your digital twin avatar works tirelessly for you without needing a break, a pay raise, or even a vacation. With this book, you'll unlock the magic of creating unlimited content, from personalized messages to webinars to social media content, corporate trainings, and more. This undoubtedly will transform your business communications, but don't take my word for it. Seeing is believing. Let's see it in action.
Hi there, I'm Steve, and today I'm here to introduce to you something truly revolutionary: your video avatar. Imagine having a digital twin that looks like you, speaks like you, and even sounds like you, using your tone and dialect. And the best part is, you can have your avatar say anything you want, in any language, and even change the color of your outfit or to a new outfit with just a few clicks.
Believe it or not, this is my AI avatar you're seeing right now. Croyez-le ou non, c'est mon Avatar que vous regardez en ce moment. Ob Sie es glauben oder nicht, das ist mein Avatar, den Sie gerade betrachten. Lo creas o no, este es mi avatar que estás viendo ahora mismo.
Now visualize having the ability to share your personalized message with anyone, anywhere, at any time.
Hello, Ed. I wanted to discuss a strategic direction that could significantly enhance our operations and sales performance.
Sounds amazing, right? Well, that is exactly what I'm about to show you how to do. Creating your avatar is as simple as taking a video of yourself talking naturally in front of the camera, just like I'm doing right now. And then your facial features, expressions, voice, tone, and dialect are captured to create a nearly identical copy of yourself. So, why don't we see how versatile this really is? Tiffany, why don't you give it a shot?
Sure thing, Steve. Here's my avatar saying hi to all of you. This is Tiffany. Or is it Tiffany's avatar? Hi, this is Tiffany. Or is it? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to try to decide if it's Tiffany or Tiffany's avatar.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that's it. Time's up. It's not easy, is it? Pretty impressive, right? That's how good this AI avatar technology is.
So as you can see, your avatar is perfect for... Excuse me, get your own video. This is my part. Oops, as I was saying. Your avatar is perfect to connect with your clients in your likeness anytime, anywhere.
Thanks a lot, Tiffany. That was great. But I think Wes still has something to say. Hey, Wes, back to you.
Like I was about to say, video avatars are a perfect fit for sales professionals, marketing teams, customer service representatives, educators and trainers, content creators and influencers, business executives and CEOs, real estate agents, health and fitness coaches, event planners and hosts, as well as recruiters and HR professionals, just to name a few.
So what are you waiting for? Use your digital avatar to transform your communications today.
We've got you covered. Create your custom AI avatar today and start putting yourself out there.
Thanks for watching. See you in the digital world.
So if you have $1 and you have an hour, you can create your own video avatar. So take action now and click the link below while it lasts. I want to help 1 million men and women create their AI avatars to start transforming their communications today. If that's you and you want to create your own video avatar in less than an hour, click the link below to get started so you can have unlimited time freedom and never have to get dressed up in front of the camera ever again. You'll be able to create and share any message in 150 plus languages to unlimited audiences anywhere in the world whenever you choose. Click the link below to get started now for only $1.